Okay. Woo! Yay! Hey! How are you, internalists? It's Internal Lars. The following is a method that I use for learning JavaScript code, the two that I find the most useful at the moment, and that I wouldn't spend my time doing anything else. The first here is good old free code camp. It's quite hard though, as you'll see. And it does kind of lack a little bit more explanation. So for a little bit more explanation, I really recommend going with Fullstack. Fullstack open here, using the console here. Control-Shift-I. Console here, which you open up and use all these aspects and functions here to input the code and do as the material tells you to. So this is very, very, very useful. Both these two are really, really excellent together. This is what I'm doing at the moment. I'm finding it quite useful, especially for me. I am a very slow learner. If you think you're slow, I'm slower, trust me. So let's give you an example here of an average day in my learning. So let's see where we're up to here. We're doing basic JavaScript, accessing object properties with bracket notation. It's calling an object and it's going into space name. Specifying this here entree value. I think we need to make the variable var entree value, and then so this one is entree value. Okay, so this is n entree the drink. Got a feeling that it's not going to work. I'll try. See what it says. So down here it says syntax error. Unexpected token. Oh, of course, I think we don't need that because okay. Let's try this. Oh, entree value is not defined. Entree. Let's just look at the details here. Details, very important. So let's see, my OBJ, space name, now it's time to my OBJ, more space, now it's time to start. Oh, okay, entree value should be a string. Okay, so it's trying to be a string. And, come on, please! Let's go. Let's try to make it just simple quotes and see what happens. You should use bracket notation twice. I don't know what that means, but I'm trying. I'm trying to use bracket notation twice. Okay, I figured it out finally. I figured it out all by myself, purely looking at it and reading the question again. And actually I realized that in here, in the example, it says here is a sample of using bracket notation to read an object property. So here again, it's all about reading the question here and reading what's happening in the example. The first thing I asked down here is not just to read, but here again, here's an example of using bracket notation to read an object property. So all that's happening here is that the object's property here is just being read. And so down here it says read the value and assign them to entree value and drink value. Aha! So it was this pesky little and assign, which I didn't quite see. So let us do this the right way. So that means first we're going to assign it. So we go var. We need to create a variable as must. The first one is entree value. So entree value. Entree value. Oh yes, entree value. And then equals test obj. Then we use the j's here. Test obj, which is the first one and entree. Let's see if I can roll my tongue. The drink. Oh no, drink value is drink value equal the drink in a single double quotes. Okay, now we should be on the right track. So let's give that a go. Woo! Yay! There we go. So completed my first challenge on Free Code Camp. So what I like to do once I've completed a challenge, I reward myself with a little music here, and I go on to typing.io firstly, and we do some speed typing. So I'm going to reward myself here. Good there, and turn that music down a little bit. Now I go on to Fullstacks and read a little bit of the stuff here and do some of the exercises on here. The first rule of web development: always keep the developer console open on your browser. Open the developer console by pressing Control-Shift-I. There we go. Or that's how we do it on my user side, Windows printer here. Or we can just press F5. Oh, F5 that reloads the page. F12. There we go. So ensure that the network tab is open and activate hash. This is check the network is okay and save hash is on there. Or to save is also useful. Saves multiple device action and page load. The most important tab is console in the instruction we use the network tab. HTTPS. So we communicate with each other. So I hope you enjoyed that video there. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please think about subscribing to my channel. Just slap a like on this badass and I'll appreciate it so much. See you next time.